Have you ever raced out the door with an empty stomach, thinking skipping breakfast might be the shortcut to weight loss? Well, buckle up, because today, we're about to redefine your morning routine. We're diving deep into breakfast dishes that not only tantalize your taste buds but also set the stage for weight loss success. Contrary to popular belief, skipping breakfast can actually slow down your metabolism. And a sluggish metabolism? That's the opposite of what we want for weight loss. So, let's jumpstart that metabolism and embark on a journey of mouth-watering breakfast delights. Number 1. Oatmeal Berries. First up, the classic oatmeal. A powerhouse of fiber, oatmeal ensures you feel full, reducing those mid-morning snack cravings. And those colorful berries? They're not just for show. Packed with antioxidants, they offer a natural sweetness without the calorie load of traditional sugars. Fun fact? Oats contain beta-glucans, known to reduce hunger and improve feelings of fullness. Number 2. Green Smoothie Bowl. Ditch those sugary cereals and opt for a green smoothie bowl. Spinach, kale, and avocado blend seamlessly with Greek yogurt, providing a creamy texture and a protein punch. Top it with chia seeds for that extra fiber boost. Number 3. Veggie Omelette. Eggs are nature's weight loss buddies, packed with high-quality protein. Toss in veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes, and you've got an omelette masterpiece. Did you know? Eggs can boost metabolism by up to 20 to 35% for several hours after eating. Number 4. Quinoa Fruit Salad. Quinoa isn't just for dinner. This protein-packed gem takes a fruity twist in the mornings. Paired with apples, bananas, or berries, it's a perfect blend of protein and natural sugars. Plus, quinoa's rich in essential amino acids, all 9 of them. Number 5. Chia Seed Pudding. Meet the tiny wonders, chia seeds. Soak them and watch the magic unfold. Layered with nuts and fruits, it's a jar of deliciousness. These seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making your breakfast both brain and belly friendly. Bonus idea. Whole grain toast with avocado poached eggs. For those who need a bite, whole grain toast crowned with creamy avocado and a silky poached egg is the royal breakfast you deserve. Whole grains provide sustained energy, and avocados? They're the good kind of fat. Feeling spoilt for choice? That's the idea. Tell us, which of these breakfast champions are gracing your table tomorrow morning? But always remember, while breakfast is a crucial meal, balance is the key. These breakfast options are the first step in a day-long journey of nutrition. Make sure you're complementing them with wholesome meals throughout the day. Always aim for a balanced plate. Did you find these ideas appetizing? Show some love with a thumbs up. And if you want to journey with us through the world of health and nutrition, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's make every bite count.